Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning, Design, and Robotics. I'm your faculty, Brenda Mathis. I hesitated because I've had a lot of takes, and I decided this is going to be the last take. I want to get it done, and I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to talk at a normal speed, but also try to get all of the key points in this introduction to the course. Welcome. I couldn't be more excited about teaching this course again because it is a fun course and it's designed to be fun. We do that two ways. One is that if a project is a little bit behind for you and you need more time, all you have to do is ask for an extension and you get an automatic extension for 1 week. This does not hold for discussion boards because they are timely in terms of discussion and commentary to each other, and students don't go back to discussion boards after that week has passed. So that has to be done on time, but you can submit those first and then do your project after. I have a list here of things I want to go through to make sure I don't miss. Thank you for your survey responses. That is so helpful for me because I use your responses to customize the course for you. And the range of participants in this course really runs the gamut as it usually does. So I can give you suggestions of what projects to focus on, maybe substitute one project for another, and all kinds of different ideas. So thank you for the surveys, and I'll be contacting you later this week to give you my comments on your survey and give you some ideas and maybe even ask more questions if I need more information from you. But thanks so much. Let's see. There are a few of you who haven't learned how to create a video with captions, and I will give you some instructions on that. I think I'll have to because there's a few of you, period. Let me tell you why this is important. This course is designed as with one of the foundations as Universal Design for Learning, and you may have covered that topic in some of your other master's courses in the technology field at Lesley or elsewhere. Basically, it means that we are trying to support everyone in how they learn or how they receive information. This is very key when you have videos because often someone can't get to the video sound, or it doesn't they don't pick up the sound because of hearing disabilities. So we make sure that we video our projects and add captioning. I'll send information on how to do that to those who answered that they don't know how to create a video with captions, and we'll work from there. Let's see. The last point is about the foundation of robotics. So this course, I think, is intimidating in terms of its title because it has the word robotics in it, and not everyone is comfortable with engineering terms. But robotics is such a cool field. It sounds daunting, but really it's not. So we start this course with the 3 foundations of robotics. And I'm going to tell you what this is because these are the answers to a pop quiz later. I'm sort of kidding about that, but sort of not. There is a pop quiz. There are 3 foundations of robotics: mechanical engineering, electrical or electronic engineering, and computer programming or coding. And so we are going to look at each of those foundations in each of the first 3 projects. So the first project, BristleBots, is really mechanical in nature, even though there is some minor circuitry involved. The other projects also involve circuitry more explicitly. And then the last project is all about coding. And then after that, we might have 1 or 2 projects that puts all 3 together so you can see how they're integrated. Basically, every robot of some nature, whether it's a robotic project that you have in a school, whether it's robotic manufacturing, whether it's the space shuttle, there's robotics involved, and it all involves those 3 things. There are mechanics involved, there's electrical circuits involved or electronics, and there's programming involved. Every robot, full robot, has those 3 components. Of course, there are more parts of robotics that drill down from those three foundational areas, but those are the key three parts of robotics, and you'll get to all three. If you have any questions, there are two tools provided in the course to help you get answers quickly. One is the Remind text app, which is referenced in the course materials section. That is a tool that is designed for schools so that you can sign up to text members of the class, but you don't share your phone number or any of your information. So that way you can freely contact each other and say, gee, I'm stuck on this project. What do I do to do this? What do I do to do that? You can text me, you can text the whole class, you can text someone individually, but it's completely optional. You don't have to do that. The second tool is that for every project, there is a section in the discussion board called questions. And there's some more wording there, but basically it's questions, and there's a discussion board for questions in each project week. So you can submit your project there. I check that discussion board regularly just to make sure if any questions have popped up and see if we can answer questions. Students have often put answers to problems in the question sections in advance, so to let others know that, hey, I had this problem and this is what I did to solve it, and you may have this problem too, so I'm just giving you a heads up. So that happens too. But you can also just email me, and that's fine. I'm less available over the weekends, but during the week I'm usually very fast. So actually if you text me on Remind, that works really great because I usually can answer very quickly, and if not, I can let you know that I can't, but where you can go. I think that is it. I'm going to stop here because it's 7 minutes on a video. That's a long time. But thank you. Thank you for coming to the class. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I'll see you online soon. Okay, bye-bye.